Hello and welcome to the lecture on creating a personal website. So let's create one page website. Let's create a folder called personal website. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple page. We say one page website.html. All right, let's open this up. So we change the folder to HTML and CSS. All right, so I'm going to copy paste the HTML, then we work through CSS to make it as a proper website. So I've copy pasted some HTML here. We have a header, right? We have navigations, we have section, and then we have footer. Nothing fancy about it. It's just the structure of how a web page is created. In the footer, you have this link. You can have copyrights and link. In section, you have these details about you, where you have h1 tag and p tag talking about you, and then you have some anchor tags as well. See, there's an anchor tag, so you can jump to this anchor tags, right? A tag, name, and then at the navigation you are jumping onto that anchor tags. Okay, we'll look into it. And at the header you have your site name. Okay, let's open this file, and it's look like this, right? When you click about, you jump to about. When you click contact, you jump to contact. So this is the HTML page. Let's make a nice CSS one page website where you have a navigation bar, and then you align this to center, then you have a footer, nice footer. Okay, and then when you click the links, then you basically navigate to that section of the page. All right, so let's do that settings first. So let's go add some CSS styles to it. So let's add the body first. You're gonna see the output as we do it. The first thing we add is the font family, sans serif. Okay, and color can add 565656. Okay, little gray, and margin is 0. Okay, there's no margin, that's why you see it's all attached to the front line. Okay, now for the anchor tags, we make the color as 7AB55C. okay, nice green colors. Text decoration is none, so the lines are gone, the underlines are gone. Then for the header, we're going to add a background color, 30373B. okay, so that's a black color background color, and the text color we make it white so that the text is visible. All right, then we have the text aligned, we make it center. Okay, looks good. Then we add a padding so that it looks little bigger, right? So that's your heading, looks nice, right? Let's work on the other details. Let's work on the navigation now. So for the navigation, we'll have the line height. Line height, we'll say 30px, so there's some space because that's the height of the line. Then we'll add the background color to it, and background color will just put into 3 4 5 6. Yeah, then we add a padding to it. Okay, and that looks great. Next, we'll add the UL, and for UL we'll remove the dots. So list styles, none, the dots will be gone. And margin 0 auto will make it center. Margin 0 auto. Okay, then text align, we'll make it center. All right, so next is we'll work on the li items. Okay, you remember the inline block, so we'll use inline block. so that we can add the height and the width for it. The padding is 10 px by 15 px. So now we have some space around the text. Then obviously you can increase the font 1.2 em, so that's increase the font. And text transform you can convert into uppercase. All right, so that's the navigation. So your navigation looks good. So when you click about, you can go to about contact. Still you have to work around the pages now. Okay, so let's work through the pages. Let's work on the section now. Section, we're gonna add a padding all around the places of 10 px. Okay, so there you see the space here, here, and the right side. Okay, and for section that is having h1 and h2 tags inside the section, we're gonna align them into center. Okay, so all the h1 tags, they become center, right? Then section of paragraph, for all the paragraphs we're gonna have a max width of 700 px. That's how they can run through. Then we'll add some margin to it. To em auto, and then we'll add some line height to it. So I'm just trying to decorate the text here. Then we'll add our footer. So this will be nice center. If you look at the page, this is nice aligned to center, right? Then you have footer, the background color. If you scroll down, okay, I'm changing this section. The background color is #30373b. okay, you have this background color, and color is white. So I'm changing the color of the text, that becomes white. And we want to break, so we can say clear both. We want to break from the running of that boxes. Then text align, you can make it center. Then you can add a padding of 15 px, and that will go on to the center. All right, so I believe that's all you need to do, and you have a nice HTML page now. That's a personal website page where you can have your logo here, or you can have your site name. Then you have links which you can map it to any section of the page. Click on contact, we just go on to the mode, different mode. Okay, let's open that file. Right, you click on contact, you can go to contact. Go to click on about, you can go to about. So this is basically a one page HTML wherein you can add different sections or anchors into the pages, and then you can have links where you can click and then go to that anchor. And then you have a nice footer where you can add your copyrights and all some simple social links also there. Okay, this could be your resume. You can add your resume here, do some simple HTML, write headings, write list items, and then explain, create a simple tables out of it, and then you can start uploading your resume in one page. You can create your resume and then you can send over to any HR showing off that this is the page that you have created yourself as a resume. It shows two things: you know how to write HTML, CSS, how to create all these websites. Another part of it, you can have a beautifully designed web page and resume for yourself. All right, well, that's the project for building a personal website, and I'll see you in the next one.